Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've got the essentials, an account and a clear seed idea. First, enter one focused keyword or product seed and apply market filters for region and category so results are relevant. Once done, limit time frame to recent 6-12 months to capture current trends. Make sure metrics visible include demand, competition score, and growth percentage. These give you comparable signals. Start now. Filtering early saves time and surfaces actionable opportunities instead of noise. Now you dive into the middle work. Sort by combined opportunity score or growth percentage to prioritize targets. You should open top entries and compare demand against competition. High demand plus low competition equals potential. Use the related keywords and trend charts to confirm signals and identify seasonality. Make sure to cross-check monthly search volume and velocity. That tells you whether interest is stable or spiking. Take notes on promising candidates for the next stage. You're at the finish line. Pick 2 or 3 highest potential opportunities based on score and validation, and export the dataset for your team. Then create short experiment briefs with target audience, hypothesis, and KPIs like conversion or click-through rate. Once experiments are planned, schedule quick A/B tests to learn fast. If a selected opportunity behaves unexpectedly, first recheck filters and timeframe. Incorrect filters cause most surprises, and rerun the analysis.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.